In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a box that lists books from the library catalog. On your LibGuide that you're working on, click the Add New Box link, select Books from the Catalog, then give your box a title. For now, I'm going to call it Selected Books. Click Create Box. Now I need to add a book, and what I'm going to do is use a book over here called Here Comes Everybody. So I click the Add New Book button. It wants me to put in the book title. The easiest way to copy and paste that book title is to go to the holdings screen, where it's easier to select the text of the title. So I'm going to select it, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it in. Now I'm also going to clean up the book title. I don't like the way it displays it with the words in lowercase letters, so I'm going to do initial capitals, clean this up. I realize that I'm changing something from the catalog, but this isn't the library catalog, this is the library's website, and I want to have something that looks closer to the way students tend to see books. Now, the author editor, I could copy and paste that, but since this one is short and simple, I'm just going to type it in, Clay Shirky. I'm going to put first name, last name, because I think it's just a more intuitive way to list author names. Now, the ISBN, ISSN, we can skip that. The URL it's asking for is the permanent URL for the book and the catalog, and you can grab that from the holding screen where it says permanent link. Using your mouse, click on the right mouse button, so do a right mouse click. You'll see some options. In Firefox, it says copy link location, which is the command you want to use. In Internet Explorer and Chrome, it may say something slightly different, but similar. So I'm going to copy that link location. I'm going to go back to our Add New Book box, and I'm going to Control V to paste that in. Now it wants me to get the cover art. There's a number of ways to do this, but here's the easiest way. If we go back to the main page about this book, I can see I've got the jacket art right here. If I click on that, and this is the information we're getting from an outside company called Synthetics, there usually is a link here for a cover image, and it gives me a nice big picture I can work with. So I'm going to right mouse click on that picture. I'm going to select Copy Image Location, because this image, this JPEG, actually has an address on the web. So I'm just copying the URL for that image. So I'm going to click that to copy it. Now I'm going to go over here to the box for cover art, Control V to paste it in, and there, it's popped it in. Next, the box wants me to add the call number. So here's a little trick for the call number. I'm not going to copy Baruch stacks. That's not useful information for our students. What we're going to do is put in the main call number, dump that in, and then rather than saying Baruch stacks, why not just tell them the exact floor? So in this case, 4th floor. Now if the book was on reserve or reference, you might want to say something like 2nd floor reference collection or 2nd floor course reserve, something to indicate the sort of special status for it. I click Create Link, and there, now I've got the book listed. If I click on the book title, it should take me to the holdings screen, which tells me right away if the book's on the shelf or not. The other thing is, if I click on the jacket art, it should also take me to the holdings screen. And that's how you